Hello, my name is Jingcong Wang, and my project for this course is color image segmentation. And first, I want to briefly do an introduction to my project. Image segmentation is interested in the image part of the technology segmented out as the basis of image segmentation. Feature extraction and parameter measurement can be carried out on the target, which makes it possible to analyze and understand higher level images. Therefore, the study of image segmentation in the field of image processing has very important significance because human eye has the adaptability to the brightness, namely in a complex image at any point can only identify dozens of gray levels without the capability to differentiate hundreds of colors. So simply use gray information to extract target from the background, but also must rely on colorful information. So, although researchers have put forward some meaningful algorithms, but there is no one can adapt to most of the image algorithms. So, further studies, especially for color image segmentation method, and make it a very better segmentation effort, is the direction of people's effort. So let's talk about the difficulty of the research. The difficulty of my project is how to eliminate the noise and interference of the image itself. As mentioned earlier, there is no one or several perfect segmentation methods can be divided according to people's idea of any one image. All existing segmentation methods can only target a certain type of image. The quality of segmentation must depend on the effect and the actual application scenario to judge. Unfortunately, human beings have accumulated a lot of classic image segmentation methods, although not applicable to all types of image segmentation. But these methods are the basis for further development of image segmentation methods. It is precious because we stand on the shoulders of giants, resulting in new, more efficient, and more accurate image segmentation algorithm. In early image processing research, image segmentation methods are generally divided into two categories. One is the boundary method. This method is to assume that the image must have the edge of existence. The other is the regional law. This method that is segmented after the image area will have some of the same characteristics. Different regions of the pixels will have different characteristics. And next, I want to briefly talk the method of color image segmentation. The first method is based on threshold segmentation. Since the color image is not only a property of gray level, the histogram threshold method will be very different. Most methods use a histogram threshold method for each component of a color image, since the key attribute of image color is usually RGB or their linear or unlinear combination. It is not a simple task to represent a histogram of images with a 3D array and select a suitable value for threshold. On the one hand, to calculate the amount of objects in the picture, calculation is also large. However, this segmentation method doesn't need prior information. Segmentation is simple. And the next method I want to talk is edge-based segmentation. Edge detection is a technique widely used in grayscale image segmentation. It is based on the grayscale variation of pixels on the edge of region and tries to solve the problems of image segmentation by detecting the edge of different regions. In grayscale images, edges are defined as mutation based on grayscale, and the edges of the two regions can be detected when the brightness changes significantly. In the color image, the information for edge detection is more abundant, such as with the same brightness, different colors of the edge can also be detected. Accordingly, the color image edge definition is based on a three-dimensional color space discontinuity. And so the task of my project is analyze, classify, summarize, and the current mainstream color image segmentation algorithms. Firstly, we summarize the color space in the field of color image segmentation for many years and point out that the color space in color image segmentation, the advantage and disadvantage of this method, provide the basis for selecting suitable color space for color image segmentation. And also in this paper, the histogram threshold method, clustering method, region-based segmentation method, edge detection segmentation method, fuzzy set theory method is discussed, and the advantages and disadvantages of each method are analyzed, which provides a basis for people to choose different segmentation algorithms under different application fields and different image data conditions. A color image segmentation algorithm based on region growing method is proposed, and a color image segmentation is realized in MATLAB, and then the superiority and characteristics of the algorithm are analyzed. So let's see the workflow of my project. First, we take the original image. Then we do a color space conversion because human visual sensitivity to brightness is much stronger than the degree of color shade. In order to facilitate color processing and recognition, often use HIS space is more than RGB color space in line with human visual characteristics. After the space conversion, extract the edge, select the seeds, and then regional growth and merging, and finally get the result of the segmentation. Then let's see the result of my project. You can see the color. The left is the original picture, and the right picture is after our process. We can see we detect the different part of and the different object belongs to the picture, and you can also see the sketch. The image segmentation. After the image segmentation, contours and the regions of the specified object. So I hope you guys enjoy my project, and this paper discusses the current methods of color image segmentation and the processes propose an unsupervised segmentation algorithm based on edge extraction, region growing, and merging. It can accurately extract the contours and regions of the target image, match the target in a machine vision tracking and identification to lay a good foundation in the experiment. We choose the color image in the Berkeley Image Library as the sample, and from the experimental result, the algorithm of this paper achieves good segmentation and demonstrates the validity and accuracy of the algorithm. Yeah, that's all for my project. Thanks for looking. Hope you guys enjoy it.